This is eShop spygear007.com, and today we're going to talk about the GSM Bug Mini. Here we have the package, we have the user manual, the USB wire which is used to charge the GSM bug through this junction, like this. Then we have the GSM bug itself. Here we open this and the SIM card is inserted inside like this. Here we go, and there we have a button here. We click on the button, hold for some time, and then we see the lights here, so it means the bug is turned on. The bug works like a phone. You can call to it from your phone and it will automatically pick up the phone so you can hear the environment around this bug. At first you'll have to send an SMS message to register the admin number, which is your number from where you're calling, so not everybody can call to it and listen the environment of it. The standby time of this bug is about 2 weeks, and the spy call time is 4 hours. So if you're calling to it and listening to it all the time, so it will last for 4 hours. Of course, you can connect it to the constant power supply with a USB wire and a charger, phone charger, and then you can use it for all the time without any restrictions. So that is all I wanted to tell you about this GSM bug today, and you can see the link where you can buy it under the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.